Welcome to AircraftMax. Today I'm going to teach you how to make changes within your account. So first you're going to click here to find a flight school. As soon as you're on the partner directory page, you're going to log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to go to the top of the page and click Account. Now, we have our first name and last name, so as you can see here. Right here where it says Demo Account, that's your display name. So when I go to My Listings up here on the top bar, you're going to see Demo Account. That's going to be your display name that other people will see when you're the owner of that flight school listing. So now let's go back to My Account. So top of the page, we have that. Right here under your profile, you have Edit Account. You can also change your password right here. You have to put your old password in because you're logged in, but let's say you forget your password, you'll probably be logged out. So once you're logged out, at that point, so if I click Log Out on the top right, and let's say you log in and you forgot your password, well, you can actually click this button on the bottom right, which is Forgot Password, and that'll take care of it. But once you're logged in, we're assuming that you knew your password, so you have to put your old password in to avoid spam once you're logged in to change your password. So now we go back to My Account. We got Change Password. So another important one, we got Ads. You can add a new ad here. Right here, let's see, Test Ad. We have this Promoted Schools ad. So if you want 10,000 impressions, which means 10,000 clicks, it's $100. So that'll be that your listing will show up on other people's pages and it'll start pushing traffic towards your school. And then once you have that, you can choose a different amount. And then you can also do a listing ad, which is the best one to choose. And that's when you're going to choose your listing. So we own Example Featured Flight School. So when you save it, it's going to charge you for the $100 and then you'll have that 10,000 clicks. You can also see your invoices right over here. You can see your subscriptions. Right now we don't have any. We have billing address. You can delete your account and you can log out. So that's account. Please like and subscribe and check out our other videos. Thank you.